Hey guys, it's Riley from fixpectus.com. In today's video, what I wanted to talk with you guys about, a way of training that's really effective and something that's underutilized to build muscle. And it's something I incorporate in my programs for my clients. And it really burns and it gets a great result and it helps you build muscle. And it's good to incorporate this style of training in conjunction with your normal style of training. And so what it is isometrics, where we're holding a position, okay? It's really challenging on the muscles and it does get a really good result, okay? In this example, I'm gonna show you 3 different isometric exercises that I program for my clients that are really effective, but really challenging that you should give a go. And they're really great for pectus because they're focusing on the abs and they're focusing on the chest. And obviously they're really key muscles to develop. So the first exercise is a hanging L-sit hold. So this is really challenging on the core, okay? So we're gonna hang and then you're gonna bring your legs up, toes pointed, legs straight. And from there, you're just gonna hold that position. And you should really feel the core engaging. It's really challenging. I only program it for my more advanced clients. And when you do this, you realize, wow, I can see how effective that is. Your core starts to burn, your body starts to shake. It's really hard for me to talk to you guys while doing this. So when I program it for my clients, you know, some rep schemes that I program would be 3 sets for as long as possible, okay? I'm trying to work on each week bettering that time, or accumulating 2 minutes of a hanging L-sit in as few sets as possible, something that we can track and progress on. Really important principle with training. Okay, now the next isometric exercise we're gonna do is a superset that I program for my clients. So it's 2 exercises in one really. And so what it is it's for the chest, and using these rings, it's a ring dip hold and a ring support hold. So I'll show you how to do it. This really burns, it's really challenging, and you should really feel it in your chest, okay? So, and you'll get your triceps as well, especially in the ring support hold. So we're gonna start in the ring support hold. So to engage the chest more in this position, what we wanna do is turn our hands out a bit. You can straight away see, look, when I go like that, compared to that, see the chest engagement, okay? So you're gonna be shaky, especially if this is your first time doing it. That's the ring support hold. Then from there, you're gonna superset it straight into a ring dip hold, which is this position, the bottom of a dip. You'll feel this in your chest burning a lot, especially if you've already done some chest exercises. So that's the ring dip and ring support hold. As a superset, it's really brutal, really challenging, and you really feel a good chest pump from it. For my clients, when I'm programming this, depends on their experience. Sometimes I give them prescribed time periods. Sometimes, again, similar to the L-sit hold, we have a accumulation time, or we have an AMRAP hold, okay? So give it a try. Give the L-sit for 3 sets by as long as possible, and these 2 positions for 3 sets for as long as possible, and see how you go. Then try it again, see if you progress. When you apply that time and time again, you're gonna build muscle, especially when you apply it with the right protein and nutrition. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're interested in coaching, links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.